Hey. Today, I'm going to do something a little random. I'm going to rank every HVAC system ranging from the R32 to the R211. And how will I rank them, you ask? Well, I'll rank them based off how I like the sound they make. So don't get mad at me if I say something bad about the one you like.
Ah yes, sounds very loud yet old.
Who are you?
I am the ears of all things. Now please, let me continue this ranking of yours. As I was saying, I'll put this in a solid B tier. It's not the best, but it's nostalgic.
It sounds calming in a way. The sound it makes is something I kind of like, sort of. I'll also put this in B tier. Sigh. Negative Z tier. Straight to the cellar you go. They may have had a cool design, but HVAC. Oh boy.
It sounds like an electric buzz. Just for that, I'll put it in A tier. Sounds almost like the R62A. I like the hum this one makes. I'll put it in a tier.
Must I even say anything? It's super above S tier. Sounds like the R44, but slightly pitched higher. It's a nice S tier. I'll put this one in a tier. It sounds like there are 46, but just in a lower pitch.
Ah yes, this one is a hidden gem. I like the hum it makes. It's quite calming too. I'm going to put this in a tier. Sounds just like the R160's HVAC, but in a higher pitch. I'll put this one in S tier.
The R142's HVAC is super loud. Its hum is nice. I'll put it in Almond Tier. This one sounds a little similar to the R179. I'll also put this in Almond Tier. Their HVAC is loud yet iconic. Unfortunately, I don't really like it for some reason, so it's going in B tier. like the hum of the R179. It's calming. It also sounds like my freezer. I'ma put it in S tier. The hum it makes sounds calming, but the only thing ruining it is that horrible sound. Just for that, it's gonna go in a tier. Although it's unbelievably loud to the point, it's hard to hear the announcements inside, I still love it. The hum it makes is just so calming. I'll put it in super above S tier, but not higher than the R46. Anyway, now we're finally done. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe.